What's up guys, today at Silas Garage, and we're going to be doing a little video here on how to replace your rear wiper blade and the wiper assembly on a 2008 Ford Escape. Here's how we're going to be doing this. So first of all, you want to grab yourself a 13mm socket. We're going to take off this little cover here, and there's a little nut. We're going to take that off, make sure. This one, the reason why I have to replace it, and I'll show you here in a second. That is off. That's like, I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but that's very rusted. Take that nut, take that off, set it aside. Now take your entire little wiper assembly off here. You just gotta shake it off a little bit if you can. There's no way a guy is literally mowing his yard in the middle of winter. Are you kidding me? Bro is desperate to do something. Alrighty. It should just slide off there. There we go. Alrighty guys. Let me go grab I'm gonna grab, I think, a wire brush and stuff, so I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I grabbed a wire brush and I grabbed some PB Blaster, so we're gonna go and spray that on there. And I'm gonna start rubbing and like scraping off the excess. So just take that, start scrubbing everything you can. Take that, scrub all that off. Spray it again, and let me grab a towel. So you take that and just wipe all that off. Get the excess, and make sure you wipe it off your window. It's not good to do that, but I'll have to get another. I'll have to clean the window anyway. So anyway, as soon as you're done with that, wipe it off. It looks nice and clean. So now we're gonna take our excuse me. We're gonna take our brand new one here. We're gonna assemble it. So how you put this on here is you take this, and I believe it goes on something like this. Just gotta clip it on. It should go right into place. Bam. It sticks right on. Take this, brand new. We take this, a little something like this, and I should, oh yeah, that's on there. School bus. So take that, slide it on. It should go on something like that. Now we're going to take our nuts and we're going to go ahead and spray it with some PB Blaster as well. I don't know if you guys can see this or not. I'll move this over here, spray this down. We're going to try to attempt to wire brush it. I don't know if we can because I don't want to poke myself, but just wire brush the heck out of it. Get on the inside of the threads too, so there's no gunk or anything in the way. But I'm surprised this didn't come with a new bolt, but it's alright. Take that, wipe that off. Spray it again and just wipe it off, so then you have enough on there to coat it and to get it wiped off and clean and everything. And now just wipe it off make sure it's really very dry. Very dry. Yep. And this needs to be drier than you getting out of this. Wow. That's not good. Keep wire brushing it. But anyway, it should be drier than your DMs, so it's looking better. Alrighty. Now let's wipe it off again and then install it onto here. I'm gonna show you guys how to plug in the windshield wiper motor, because I had to disconnect it because my car currently has a little electrical issue. I have to have a kill switch to keep the battery from dying. So I'll show you. I'll explain that here in a little bit. But let me get this as good as I can get it. So now, if I can, I'm gonna take this. See if I can take this over here, just like that. Alrighty, let's see if I can show you guys. So I'm gonna try to take it, make sure this is on as far as it can, and I'm gonna go ahead and start installing it. I'm gonna get it about finger tight, and I'll just start tightening from there. So take this, start installing it. That seems, oh yeah, that's solid. And that's how you do that. So if you guys give me a few seconds, I'm going to open up the back hatch here, and I'm going to show you guys how to install the, I believe it's a connecting, I think it's just a wire that goes in here, but let me give me 1 second here. And by the way, guys, here we go. Bam. So, let me see if I can rearrange this to where you guys can see it. I'm going to take this down, level this out, tighten that up, and I'm going to get this thing, I'm going to have to almost shut the door for this to work. There we go. My radio just came on. Alrighty. I'll have to turn off my radio here and give me a second. So now, if you guys can see that, there is a little bit of a electrical wire here. I believe it goes into this. So we're gonna go ahead and take this and plug it in. If I can get it, yep. That should clip in, and now there's electrical power to the windshield wiper. I don't have a cover on this just yet, but I will here in a second. Alrighty, I'm gonna test out the wiper and see if it works. So, that got everything. Good job. Now everybody can see my license plate. Have to edit that out. But anyway, I hope this was very informative for you guys, and it works out just fine. It actually works really well. I definitely recommend it. We got it on Amazon, or I did anyway. Got it off Amazon for, I'm not sure how much. I thought it was $20, but I'm not sure. But anyway, thank you guys for watching this, and I'll see you guys next time.